How injury and pain can become a vicious cycle and how to stop it. Did you know whether it's a new injury or a long history of chronic pain, that both are often accompanied by what is known as the Pain-Spasm-Pain Cycle? The word spasm here can be a bit misleading. Sometimes it is a true severe muscle spasm. However, mostly pain is associated with an increase in muscle tone and muscle tension. This pain-tension-pain loop can have long-term consequences and actually result in more strain and breakdown. It is sometimes taught that the brain and nervous system are triggered by pain to split and protect the area, causing the neighboring muscles to tighten and guard the injury. In actuality, pain nerve signals known as type 3 and 4 afferents increase firing rates to the gamma motor neurons, which then induces increased tension in the spindle. This mechanoreceptor activity triggers firing of the 1A and 2 afferents with an increase in firing of the alpha motor neurons. This results in increased extrafusal fiber tone, which increases muscle tension. The increased muscle tension then causes irritation in metabolites, and the loop continues. Say what? Listen, the technical stuff does not matter, except to serve as an explanation of why pain lingers and how it can even lead to further breakdown. Long-term increase in muscle tone will overload the tendons and impair circulation, which can lead to chronic tendinitis and soft tissue strains. Additionally, this increased neuromuscular tightness limits the joint's proper mobility, and due to Wolff's Law, this can result in joint degeneration. What it means for us is that we need to find pain-free ways to move the body and release the tension to stop the neural loop. Do-it-yourself PT programs start with basic non-weight-bearing movements designed to restore the mechanoreceptor permissions. Each movement or exercise is taught to be performed only within a pain-free range. This is the opposite of no pain, no gain. Throw that theory out the door. In addition, most of the painful joints in our body are synovial fluid joints. Synovial fluid joints are dependent on movement for their health, not blood supply. This means that the joint nutrition and cellular responses depend on the joints moving properly in all three planes. When the joint is limited in movement, then we have problems in the joint's health. Think of the Wizard of Oz with the Tin Man unable to move and calling for his oil can. By creating strategic, pain-free movements to lubricate joints, we bathe the joints in synovial fluid, which is the oil can. And we also clear the joints of metabolites, which are the waste products of injury. And guess what? These very metabolites are known to trigger that pain-tension-pain loop described above. So, DIY PT programs are designed to address all the factors in pain and stop the injury cycle. These programs are designed to lubricate joints, decrease inflammation, break the pain-spasm-pain loop, and restore the ideal tissue, tension, and mobility. Sign up now to get moving towards a pain-free life.